Hello traders. Hello traders, please let me know if I'm audible to you, if you can hear me. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Okay. Today I decided just to come a bit early, around 8 o'clock during US market opening time itself. Okay. One of the main reason is because I will not be available post 9 o'clock, right? So I thought of coming live before that. Okay. Now there are some important levels I have marked on this chart just for my understanding. You can see on a 4-hour time frame chart what is happening. There is a trend line here. This has been acting as a strong support level, right? 1 2 sorry, I'll change the color. 1 2 3 4 times market has tested this level, right? So this is becoming a strong support. Some time back also market had taken support here. Now let me switch to 3 minutes time frame. On 3 minutes time frame, you can see that first I will remove this box. You can see there is one trend line. This is acting as first support, second support, third support, fourth support. Now what the market has done, market has broken this level, right? So broken, and it has gone above 236. It has gone above 236 level of Fibonacci. Now simply what I'm thinking is, maybe there is a chance that market can test this 4-hour time frame. This level what you're seeing here, this is that 4-hour time frame support level which I had discussed about. So I feel market has a chance of testing this level towards the downside, because here there was a support, right? Support 1, support 2. So people might think about entering what? Uh, I mean buying trade at the zone. But I feel market has a chance of maybe moving little towards the upside. From there it can reverse, or from this zone itself it can start moving towards the downside. Suddenly when US market opens and all those things, during that time there will be spikes, right? So that is why we have to be a bit careful. If market starts moving towards the upside, what I think is this has been the next zone from where it can reverse. That possibility is there. And also there are some stop losses. To remove those stop losses, market can move. So you can see after the market opening, it is moving towards the upside. But I think market has potential to come to this lower trend, right? That 4-hour time frame support what I had discussed, market might come there. That is why little bearish view I'm having about the market. So I feel if it starts moving towards the upside, somewhere near the upper level, if I get any bearish setup wherever I can place small stop loss, I'm thinking of entering a bearish trade. Yes, I know there are some stop loss hunting levels here, but this is a next selling pressure zone. Usually market do not respect as soon as it opens this zone, but if it respects, if I get a reasonable stop loss for my trade, I'm thinking of taking a bearish trade here. Okay, so after this fall, maybe market can correct up to 0.5618 level. From there, if it shows any bearishness, I'll be planning for a bearish trade. Okay, as simple as that. What is your view about the market? What do you think? From this level, will the market continuously move towards the upside, or will it reverse? Looking at this first candle, yes, it is a bit difficult to judge what can be the next moment. Will the rally continue? All those things. But what to do? We will see. First, I'm having a bearish view at the upper level reversal. If that is there, I will try to capture that. In case that fails, I'll book my stop loss, wait for the next opportunity. If market is holding on to this range, giving a bullish move, later I'll be looking for call option trade. I mean bullish trade. Okay. What do you think about the market? Yeah, I know stop loss hunting is happening. When market came out of this 236 level zone itself, I thought, okay, there can be a potential of moving up to the selling pressure zone and it can reverse. But this is like by the time I come live and all those things, it will take time, right? So first I want to understand, if will this selling pressure zone act as an important resistance from here, if will market move towards the downside and reach the 4-hour time frame support. If market doesn't want to do that, if it decides to start moving towards the upside, then I will see if I want to take a bullish trade. Market at strategy level check. Yes, yes, that also is there on my phone. I'm looking at it, but I need any reversal bearish confirmation, something like that, to plan for any trade based on our setup. Sometimes I will avoid taking trade as soon as the US market opens, because anything, the success rate will be 50-50. But now I am thinking of trying. We will see. If market really wants to take my stop loss today, nothing can be done. I'm always okay to give stop loss. So we will see, traders. Now this moment is happening, I'm not getting any feeling that I have to enter, I'm missing out opportunity, like that feeling I'm not getting actually. I'm only thinking of any reversal setup. If this moment keeps on continuing without giving me any bearish trade, maybe that time little disappointment I will have, but that is okay. It is all part of trading. I'll just refresh this page. At the upper zone, I might get an opportunity towards the downside. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to think about selling. Okay, and for this trade I'm thinking I'll sell first. Okay, order placed, is it? Okay, see, I'm entering as soon as the market opens, so that I might get into trouble, I know that. But I think I will be trying for at least 1:1.5 risk reward for this trade. So as per the setup, if I'm getting a momentum towards the downside, I think I can capture a moment. So this is the seller's pressure zone. In case if it reverses, I'll book my stop, give my stop loss and exit. First I will decide, I'll mark my stop loss, copy this price, scroll down, go here, because target, all those things is secondary. Stop loss is the most important thing. $19 is not a problem right now. SL trigger I have set here, entry is here, target is here. I know there is a support here. Market can come here, take support and reverse. That possibility is there. That is secondary. I'm just thinking, if this selling pressure zone, if market respects, nice momentum towards the downside I can capture. With that view I have entered. Also our strategy as of now, it is giving the setup that we need. But like I already said, our strategy, what I shared in the private Telegram group, I will not usually use that when market is about to open. With that logic, I have not traded, but we will see. Okay. What do you think, traders? What can be the possibility? What can be the, you know, next moment which can happen in the market? Is your view bullish? Is your view bearish? See, for the logic for this trade, one is this continuation. Okay, market has reversed up to 50-60%. The sellers who are here, if they're strong, they can try to push the market again towards the downside. Initially, looking at the support, also people would have entered. Quickly market moved towards the upside, removed all the weak players. So from here, if it decides to move even further towards the upside, then maybe it's not targeting me, it is targeting people at this zone. That time maybe I will change my view to bullish or something like that. Same like yesterday, all SL. Let's see. Okay. Yesterday we got a nice momentum, right, towards the upside. At what time? This was the stop loss hunting. If you remember exactly after I exited the trade, when did I, when was it? I forgot. Yesterday, sorry. I think this is the place when I said I'm going to exit from the trade. Exactly from this level, there was continuous momentum in the market. I said the possibility of market continuing the trend is low. So good, we exited yesterday. The profit was good. Now maybe again market can take my stop loss a bit. We will see. Why you, sir? Why you're thinking of trading in options right now? It's not required. Anyways, you're getting leverage. If BTC every candle, if it is making a movement of 300 points, 200 points, do you really want to trade in options when you're already getting the leverage that you need? If you want, for you guys, I'll make a video. Okay, no problem. I'll make a video on how to trade options and all those things. But when you're already getting the leverage in trading in futures market where there is no time decay, nothing, why you want to deal with expiry, strike prices, and why you want to deal with other stuff like time decay? Forget about options in BTC as of now. Focus more on the futures market because it's more easy for many beginners to plan trade. Which time frame using? I'm using 3 minutes time frame. Okay, see, this is 3 minutes time frame. I'm using this time frame. Hopefully, to be on a safer side, only little above 786 level I've placed my stop loss. Okay, by chance if market goes towards somewhere near 618 level resistance only, I've got my entry. Maximum up to this level I can give stop loss. Can I give 600 700 600 points? It will not be sensible for me. So if it goes above 786 level, hits my stop loss, then I will wait for the next trade. Okay, nothing to worry. Now this is one problem as soon as the US market opens, right? So exactly 8 o'clock I've looked at the setup, taking trade. If we give some buffer time around 15 minutes or so, it can be an advantage also or disadvantage also when we trade as soon as the market opens, right? If it is as per our view, then it can be a good momentum we'll be able to capture. Little against our view, if the market goes, then it is a that is why as soon as the market opens, immediately if you trade, the chances of the trade becomes 50-50%. But according to me, I've tried my best to keep this trade as safe as possible. For example, little above 786 level, I placed my stop loss. Our strategy is telling that okay, there's an opportunity towards the downside. That is one thing. And the next thing is, market has, after hunting the stop loss up to 50-60%, from there correction I'm expecting. So all these are my basic understanding and how I'm looking at the market. All these safe things I've looked at and I have planned my trade. If it hits my stop loss, what should I do? I should not worry too much. I should look for the next opportunity. Did market form W pattern? You're speaking about this W pattern breakout? Yeah, it formed a W pattern it formed. But this trade, I don't know how many people would have thought of taking trade, because many people would consider this as a lower high, lower low setup, right? So that is there. Almost coming to cost again, hopefully this time. So I did not read any comments earlier. Let me see. Market still bullish in 30 minutes. Any bearish trade would be risky. Okay, Stoneman. Market being same like as that I have read. Bullish. Okay. Hi sir, please show how that I've read. Okay, market will come maybe to 0.38, but what is the reason for the target? Target is, I feel, uh, maybe you will relate or not, I don't know. This move when it happened when market wanted to hunt the stop loss. Okay, this movement happened because market wanted to hunt the stop loss. That means market ideally, if US market wouldn't have opened right now, this should have been the range where market uh, should have been traded, right? This is the fair price range of the market. Just because it opened with a gap up, just because market opened right now, because of that, from fair price it has gone for unfair price to hunt the stop loss. After hunting all the stop loss, my expectation is market will come to the fair price zone again. Whatever I'm saying, is it making sense for you? uh, can you relate what I'm trying to say? Okay, I will repeat if you have not understood. Okay, how I'm looking at the market movement right now. So I said at the upper level, I will think about uh, entering put option trade. Okay, if market moves up. So I am saying market here it was trading somewhat in a fair price. No big momentum at this zone. Okay, you understood until then. Now this continuous movement happened in the market only because US market opened now. This movement what happened in the market can be to remove weak players at the upper level. After removing all those people, market again can try to come to the fair price value where it was trading already. So that is why when it comes to the fair price value zone, I think here my 1:2 target can be achieved. If all my logic market is not respecting, it will hit my stop loss. That's it. Based on how I'm looking at Indian market, all of those logics I'm relating to crypto market. So hopefully every trade, whatever I take, I'll keep sharing with you with all the logic why I'm taking the trade and things like that. So hopefully even I'll keep fine tuning my view based on crypto market as well, because crypto market little changes are there. It is bit unique. So fair price means fair price. Why I say this is because this is where market without any uh, you know US market open that fear, this was the ideal price where buyers also was entering, sellers also was entering, both were both their orders would have got triggered equally. Market there was no big movement. That means buyers are thinking this is the fair price to enter the trade, sellers also are thinking this is the fair price. I'm ready to give $10 here to take the trade. Seller also is ready to give $10. So this match used to happen. Market was correcting. But this moment is to hunt the stop loss. After hunting the stop loss, market might come to the fair price, or it can also go to the, at the beginning of the live stream I said, right, on a 4-hour time frame I'm looking at a market condition. This level is acting as a continuous support. If really market from here, if it wants to push, at least this trend line it can test. That is a big move actually. How much big move is it? Close to 1700 800 points. But since I am just trading on a 3 minutes time frame, I cannot plan that big of a target and things like that. With that logic, I've kept very less target for my trade. Hopefully market goes below the Sellers pressure zone, that is when we can be a bit confident that sellers are still strong, they can push, or by chance if it hits my stop loss, nothing can be done. Voice is very low, please adjust the volume. Vasant Kumar sir, you're saying voice is low. What about others? I'm trying to speak as loud as possible. I don't know, sometimes I have this problem with volume. At least one person comes and says, I can hear you clearly. Maybe the market might form a double top and fall. Let's see. Okay, sir, let us see. Prashant sir is saying voice is clear. Ramurthy sir is saying voice is clear. Vasant Kumar sir, just see in case in your environment, is it noisy, or if headphones or earphones, can it help? Can you try once? My view is correct. My view is correct or wrong only after the trade is over. I will know. We are not, just because our setup, even if it works, that doesn't mean we are the king of the market, right? It is market who is the king. For a small person like me, it is giving me small opportunity. With whatever thought process I have, I am thinking, with that I am planning. However it goes, since how many years I've been doing the same thing, that is why maybe little things I can relate, that's all. Market is always the king. Now those of you who's watching the live stream, if you are making use of the content, please support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Now today, instead of 8:15, I've come at 8 o'clock only because 9 o'clock I have to be uh, going somewhere. That is the problem. I don't know, my system is kind of lagging, I don't know why. So from the time we entered, market has given close to 300 points movement. Now those who think, okay, I want to exit, you want to exit, please do, because market might be correcting at 0.5%. So from here, correction means market can go up, hit my stop loss. If you don't want to give up your stop loss, then you want to exit, you exit, okay? I'll just stick to my view. I'll just stick to my trade. Not necessary that even you have to stick to the trade. Do you have a separate private group for crypto? Yeah, we have a crypto community group, right? This is our crypto community group. Whenever possible, I keep sharing my view about the market. So morning we had shared some nice setup. Evening I tried one small stop loss strategy, but that stop loss got hit here, right? So that setup failed. But the initial stage only I said, I think I said not worth giving big stop loss for this trade. So with very small stop loss, we exited the trade. Okay. Now for many people, I'm saying market is taking support near 0.5 level. From here, if it decides to move up, my stop loss will be hit. So whoever has traded along with me, if you are worried, please exit. Okay. I'm not exiting. I'm okay to take the stop loss. Hopefully this can be the only trade which I take today because I have to be traveling. I've closed and captured 200 points. Thank you for the idea. Okay, nice, sir. Good job. Now, how to join the community group? Very simple. In the video description box, in this live stream description box also, you will find our uh, you will find account opening link with Delta Exchange. If you go there, open the account, then you have to message my team, right? You are seeing one number here, right? This number, you send a WhatsApp message after opening account and completing your first trade. My team will give you access to the community group. All right, that is how you join our Trading Blog community group for absolutely free of cost. Now, sometime back I was saying about the fair price, right? Now, traders, this is the link to join the crypto community group. If you wish to, you can do that. The link to join I have shared in the pinned comment. I pinned the comment. You want, you join. Now, how many of you think the market will come to the fair value price? I wish market comes. I just wish, that's all. Less rest is left to the market. If you have opened account already with us, if you are not added to the community group, this number is there, right? Please reach out to them after completing at least one trade. Then my team will give you access. Vasant Kumar sir, if you have already having account, then it is a problem, because to join the crypto community group, account has to be opened using our referral link. Now there is a price rejection at 0.5 level. Then how you confident? Cause of experience. I'm not confident. I am confident because for me it doesn't matter if I lose that money. So while coming to the market, I will go based on probability. Okay, based on this, from the live stream started, what did I say? When market can go up from here, we can expect any kind of reversal. For that, best thing what and all I can do is place my stop loss at a reasonable price. Okay, understand from where if I enter, I'm not giving too much of, there is not going to be too much of issue. I'm not entering at a higher price value. All of these things I will factor in, and then I will enter the trade. Even after that, if market it's my stop loss, I don't think it's my mistake or it's market mistake. I will just see once or twice. If the same thing happens, then I will go and see is there any revision that I have to do to the strategy. I don't calculate the success on day-to-day basis, right? This month, how much trade I took, in that how much 1:2 risk reward, 1:3 risk reward I was able to capture with the same sentiment I have. That is how I look at the market. So how much minimum capital is required? Sir, minimum capital you can consider even with 5,000 rupees you can start, no problem. Just trade with 10 quantity. Around $20 is required to place this order. Don't take more than 25x or 50x leverage. So at the initial stage, with 5,000 also you can start. So nothing to worry about. See traders, how many points movement now? It is close to 400 points. You want to exit? Please exit. It is up to you. What went wrong in the first trade and what was the strategy behind it? I did not take the first trade. You mean this trade? You mean this trade? This trade we are trading based on our strategy. What I've thought for people here. So based on this strategy, I have taken the trade. That was not during the live market. That update I shared somewhere around 5 o'clock, 5:15. That time I was doing the analysis video. I just took the trade, I shared in the group, and I went back doing my analysis. After coming live, this is the first trade I'm taking. Dheeraj sir? Vargesh Joshua successfully exited. Okay, super sir, super. Dheeraj, okay. Now those of you who's not like the live stream, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and please mention your name in the comment section below. I will announce your name. Okay. Now after market falling so much, slowly what we can do, we can get back our stop loss little lower and lower, so that we keep reducing the risk. Okay, if you see, I've not set the target. This target what I've set is for you guys. Slowly I'm getting my stop loss lower and lower. Naveen Kumar sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. Now at least 1 is to 2. Okay, nice. See, my stop loss, I've got it lower and lower, right? So no problem for me. Now, now if my stop loss hits, I'll feel bad, right? So should I exit? Should I not exit? Because minimum 1 is to 2 is what I expect. If you see here, 1 is to 2 is done. That's okay, traders. We will see. Now, those of you who joined along with me, already 1 is to 2 is done. It is up to you. You want to exit or not exit. I'm just trying to see what can be the potential of the market. Still, I'm trying to understand. Okay. So if this level breaks, support people entered. If this level breaks, during the live stream I said, right, this 4-hour time frame level, can market come to that support? Is there a possibility? What do you think? 1200 points. Okay, market has come to this low. If you're still holding, it is your mistake, because there is some buying pressure here. So this 1 is to, if I don't exit, many people don't exit. That is the problem. I keep telling exit as per your capacity, you don't do it. From the time we entered, how much point is this? 1000 points, moment traders. Sorry, 900 points. It's not a bad deal, right? Exited with 700 points. Superb, sir. Superb. Maybe reversal will come. Yeah, there can be a reversal. I told, right, this is a double bottom phase. Who wants to exit, please exit. It is up to you. 900 points moment. Some people are expecting more. Successfully exited. Suresh Balaji, sir. Superb, sir. Sir, do you conduct live trading session? It's really helpful for students. Okay, welcome, welcome, sir. Welcome. Now, market, will it hit my stop loss? There is continuous, buying pressure here. We can see that buying pressure is happening. Selling pressure also is there at the upper level. So who will win, who will not win? We will see. For crypto, should we pay 30% tax? See, people get confused between owning a crypto and trading a crypto. Okay. Here I'm trading in crypto in the futures market. I'm not holding crypto, right? That means uh, taxes will be calculated. I'm paying 30% based on my tax slab. Okay. What is your tax slab? That you have to see. I think my stop loss might hit, because it can be a correction exactly near 618 level I have kept. What I just want to do, I'm okay to give stop loss, no problem. Little above I'll place my stop loss. because there is constant battle between buyers and sellers here, traders. Okay, that is the thing. Already have an account, then it is a problem, sir. It is a problem. Crypto income, will it be in ITR? Yeah, it will be in ITR. See, I'm trading in futures market of crypto. This means I'm not holding crypto, right? So holding crypto, trading in crypto, for that there is a huge difference. Okay, please understand that. Now let's say end to end, let's say I make around 50 lakhs this year. Then I come, I income what I made in crypto or I do not make in crypto, I come under the tax slab of 30% only, right? So first goal has to be, am I there in that 30% slab, tax slab or not? That you have to wait and see. Like who said this? Anita Sarvesham. Ma'am, you said market will form reverse from here. It is reversing. Hmm? Good view. I expected continuation. But anyways, I'm happy that at least 900 points movement, whoever wants, you would have captured. I placed my stop loss little above 618. I think it will hit. Maybe. Can you answer my question? I don't have account in Delta Exchange. If I open an account with your referral link, can I join in your group? Definitely you can join, sir. Once you join, once you open account using our referral link, uh, you'll be getting access to this community group where I've also shared my strategy. That strategy, all of these things, you will be getting access for absolutely free of cost. Market hitting my stop loss, hit. Did it hit or not? I don't know what's happening. Refresh. Now market is in buy or sell. Now market is in uh, no trading zone. Traders, see here. Uh, I don't know what's happening. I'll refresh the page. There is some issue here. Still stop loss is not hit. Stop loss will hit. As of now, little above 618 level, I have kept the stop loss. Not showing the dashboard. Okay, my stop loss got hit here. Now many times you guys are making more profit than me, right? Okay. See, I'm doing all this to show you what are the possibilities of the market. So how you, when market was at this zone, for many people I have told, you want to exit, you exit. That was up to you. Who have exited, good. Guneshekar sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Now some time back I told you, right, market will has a high chance of coming to the fair price zone. So it moved up. We planned a trade somewhere here around 900 points move. It came to the fair price zone, but like ma'am said, it formed a double bottom. From here it is moving towards the upside, but it is below the selling pressure. It is below the selling pressure zone itself. So now market has to decide if it wants to form lower highs and lower lows and move towards the downside. That possibility is there. If I'm there in this live stream for some more time, maybe I will look into that. As of now, I'm keeping my view a bit neutral. I'm not going to think about bullish or bearish trade, something like that. Okay. Anything, see traders, after hitting the trailing stop loss, it's going. On purpose only, I kept my stop loss here. It hit the stop loss anyways. As long as you guys have made money, good. We will see little confusion here. Next trading setup, I will keep you informed. Again here, if the market comes, it will again go to confusion zone. Little clarity, I'll wait for some time and take little bit more clarity about the market. Please see, this is the selling pressure zone. Okay, market went up, first trade done during this reversal, whoever captured, good. Second trade, market is trying to hold on to the upper level. If that is the case, then buyers can be strong, they can start pushing the market towards the upside. 50% chances that I'm not directly, I don't want to plan for any trade as of now. Any kind of reversal zone or setup, if I get, I can plan, right? Sir, as of now, only who opens account with Delta Exchange using our referral link gets access to the community group. We have not thought about other methods, right? Other methods we don't have. That is the problem. We don't want to charge anything for people. That is my intention. I want to give everything for free. Let it be the strategy, update everything. Because crypto is a new community, right? So during this initial stage, I want to support as much as possible for people. I don't want to charge. Captured 650 points. Superb, superb. Now, what and all happened with along with me? Who and all entered the trade? Who and all captured the moment? How much points is this? This is around 200 to 300 points. It's a bit tricky decision itself, taking any reversal trade here, because definitely retail traders wouldn't have entered here. If market breaks this level, it is because it wants to continue the trend, because this recent stop loss hunting has been over. So trend continuation above this level, or else from this selling pressure zone, market can continue the downtrend. So what I am thinking right now is, should I sell here? No, I'll wait. I will wait. Entered with you, captured 500 points. Superb, sir, superb. Very good, sir. Taking second trade, sir. Yeah, I am thinking of taking second trade, but setup has to form, right? It is near the seller's pressure zone. Randomly, I don't want to take trade. That is also there. That is why I'm seeing what is the range here. Around 300 here. And from here, if I plan 300. Continuation possibility is there, but it has to come out of this zone. See, every 1 minute, 2 minute, we have to keep thinking and changing our view, because we are doing intraday trading. It's not like investment. Trust a company, look at all the values, and then simply think about, invest and wait for 10 years. That we can't do, right? We are doing intraday. Every 3 minutes, 4 minutes, we have to keep changing our mindset. So it is respecting the selling pressure zone. If the movement continues, will it go break this zone? If market comes here, maybe it's not coming to target this. It might be coming to this 4-hour time frame support. that possibility is there or not, I'm thinking. So if I enter here, I make around 1400 points. For 1400 points, I'm placing my stop loss here 500 points. 1:2 will fall here. So this double top pattern everybody sees, but if it gives a breakout and then fall, many people at the upper level, they might be trapped. But movement is happening, what to do? Okay, I'm not going to just randomly take trades. Will it come to this 4-hour time frame level? There is a wick here. First trade was nice. Second trade, those who come look at the second trade also, it should be a sensible one, right? I should try my best to give you the right update, at least from my end. Where market goes after that, after I enter, is different, but at least something valuable I have to give. So this is taking correction at, again, 50% correction. Okay, chalo. If this is a bigger target, why not try for this? I will try for this. Okay. I'm entering at a higher price, is it? Okay, no problem. I'm having 50% confidence traders here. That is the problem. 50% confidence I have. Just like randomly, I don't want to trade. Placing a stop. From here means how many points? From here around 400 points risk it has become. Okay, fine. I'll place it. So I've taken this trade, and if you don't want to trade along with me, no problem, because this is a bit risky trade which I'm taking. Entry is here, stop loss is little higher, and I am thinking of a target of so much, 1:2.3. So first what I have to manage, I have to manage my risk. I'll go here, I'll see what is the price here, I'll copy this. If my stop loss hits, no problem, I'm going to risk that. Why is it like that? Not sure. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong. Why is it? Did I place limit order? I don't know. What is this? Same kind of issue I had last time. Now just think like if market goes up to this level, I will exit, okay? I'm having some kind of issue with my network also. So just in case, those who want to see, just see this is my stop loss. For that, I'm trying for a very big target, okay? So if market has tested this level two two times buying pressure has been uh, in the market at this zone. So from this zone, if the market corrects, if it breaks this zone, it can come to this, where is it? 4 hour time frame chart. You can see the support, support, and this support. It can come up to this level. Okay, so that is what I am thinking about right now. So hope my view is clear. If you don't want to take this trade, if you feel this is risky, taking 500 points risk, don't take. My stop loss is here. Okay, the risk that I'm taking for this trade is around 400 to 500 points. Okay, so I'm doing this because it is as per my capacity. In case this live stream closes also, as long as market stays below this zone, I'm keeping my trade open. In case the market reverses, then please see, look at this price. This will be the area where I'm thinking of booking my loss and exiting. I'm thinking to capture bigger momentum. That is why I'm trying to at least 1:2 4 hour time frame level. If the market comes, I would have captured around 1300 points. I think for that, for me personally, at least I feel it is worth it. Sir, I have opened and verified the account. How to join? Sir, you have to complete one trade. Okay. After you verify, add funds, complete your first trade. Doesn't matter how much is the value. At least one trade you have to complete. Then this is the number what you see on the screen. Please reach out to the team to that number. Any doubts that you have, they will clarify for you. Okay. That is it. Need help with this. Whenever I change time frame or reload the tab, my chart is set to log in auto. How to fix issue? I don't want to have login auto turned on. Actually, I'm not sure. Whenever I change time frame or reload the tab, have you checked if you have opened the app on multiple screens? Are you having more tabs opened? If that is the case, you might have this issue, because I'm not able to see position panel in the screen. Sir, can you please explain the setting target and stop loss? I am, see, stop loss I have kept so far. Okay, for many people, 500 points target stop loss is a big amount, right? So if that is the case, if you are trading along with me, then your quantity has to be less. So you please decide on that. Based on your capacity, if it is feasible, you look into that. So stop loss 96,510, around that. Target is around 94,640. If you want, around 94,640, this zone. I'll scroll down here, edit, and here I'll set my target. I'll choose 50, update. Very big stop loss, very big target. Okay, this is what I am aiming for. Around another 5 or 10 minutes only I'll be in the live stream. Later I will not be there live because I have to be somewhere. So you see, this is my target, this is my stop loss. If you're not interested to take the second trade, that is up to you. Already many people have captured 500 to 700 points in the first trade that we took. If you want to protect your capital, you do that. Okay, stick to one trade per day. Because I'm not able to see the that now, Kanimundli madam, now I think you are able to see. Okay, just don't take random trades. Only reason I'm taking this trade I will explain. Before, maybe market fell, it corrected, so then high, low, lower, high. If market wants to form a lower low, it has to break this level. This level two times it has acted as a support zone. Many people would have entered here. If market wants to hunt their stop loss, it can move again towards the lower side. If this level breaks, I expect bigger trend continuation where market can move to 4-hour time zone support. Where is 4-hour time zone support? I'll go here. Uh, my Airtel internet, it is continuously, I'm having issues with traders. What to do? You see, on a 4-hour time frame, this level acted as the first support, second support, third support. Today also market created a wick here. So here there is buying pressure. To hunt them, market can correct. So that is a bigger view I'm having about the market right now. As of now, you can see on a 4-hour time frame, it is just forming a doji candle, indecision. It was not showing too much bearishness. But my understanding is, in case this level is respected, then market can move towards the downside. It can give me bigger target. Anyways, the first target was a good one. The first trade was a good one, at least for many people. The first target was good. So if you don't wish to take the second trade, don't do it, right? Before I take this trade only, I have told. So what is the moving average you are using? To know the moving average, to know the strategy, everything, you can join the crypto community group, right? There, end to end, the complete strategy I will share with you guys. Okay, everything, rules, how to plan the trade, live trade examples, regular setup, everything will be shared. All you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. It is there in the pinned comment, you guys can see. Okay, Shubha madam, it is nothing. It is 200, 50 and 100 moving average. How you make use of that setup is up to you, right? The rules and all those things we have explained in the course video, how to make use of those indicator. I'm getting a call, just give me a second. Sorry traders, I got a call. Sir, API is not working there now. What do you mean? What API is not working? Because now traders, close to 1 hour live stream done. Okay, I've already explained my view about the market. I've taken a bearish trade, very big target I have set. For that, around 500 points is the risk that I have taken right now. This is the selling pressure zone. If market wants to move towards the upside, definitely it will break this level and give a continuation, but my expectation is it can form a lower high and lower low. If low is formed, market breaks this level, it can achieve uh, this target. This is the 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, this is going to be the uh, next support level in the market. So such a big level I have planned, based on the setup. For many people, looking at 1500 points target, for that 500 points risk, if that is not your style of trading, don't do it. Okay, so as UPI doesn't work, please try bank transfer. That is the way how I do. It has not even failed one time for me. Okay. I'm having some issue with my computer network. So traders, you have seen my risk for the trade, what is going to be the reward, all these things. So with this issue, I cannot continue the live any longer. I have to be somewhere else. So what is happening? Some issue, traders, here. Some issue. Not able to figure out what it is. Ah, this is a bit frustrating actually. No problem. No problem. We will manage. Okay. So this is my stop loss. This is my target. Whatever it is, I'll keep you updated. So whatever is this one, I'll keep you updated. Those of you who made the first trade, who captured 600, 500, 800 points more, really happy for you. Hope you guys had a good time. So we will see the setup, what happens. I'll keep you posted. Thank you everyone for participating the live stream. Uh, if you have not liked the video, please do it. Subscribe to the channel for regular videos. If you want to join our crypto community group for absolutely free of cost, in the pinned comment you will see a link, right, to open an account with Delta Exchange. Once you open the account this, and complete your first trade, this number is there. Please reach out to my team on that number. They'll be more than happy to guide you about what is the next step you have to do to get the access. Once you complete your first trade, you will get your user ID, right? Just share that number with us. My team will cross check if the account is really opened using our referral link or not. If that is the case, after doing the validation, if everything is okay, we'll give you access to this, and also you will be getting access to the strategy videos. All right, so thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. I had a good time. So good night. Okay. All right, have a good day. Bye bye.